Before buying a commercial pressure washer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many of them might seem similar, but the real differences are hidden in the details that real users are discussing. Product number 1. Westinghouse EPX 3500. First up is the Westinghouse EPX 3500. This electropressure washer caught my eye with its compact design and solid 2,500 max PSI for just $169. If you want an easy-to-store machine that still packs a punch, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The EPX 3500 delivers 2,500 max PSI and 1.76 gallons per minute, which means you can blast away dirt from vehicles and patios without breaking a sweat. The 20-ounce onboard soap tank is a game-changer for heavy-duty cleaning, and the 4 quick connect nozzles give you the flexibility you need for different surfaces. Plus, with over 12,800 reviews and a solid 4.7 star rating, people are clearly loving it. Now, some people complained about the hose length being only 25 feet. Here's the thing though, for most household jobs, this length is usually adequate, and the anti-tipping design makes it easy to maneuver without worrying about it falling over. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, compact pressure washer for everyday tasks around your home. Skip this one if you're looking for something with massive power for commercial-grade jobs. It's a solid value for the price. Now, if the hose length of the EPX 3500 bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Westinghouse WPX 3000E. Next up, we have the Westinghouse WPX 3000E, priced at $279. With a max PSI of 3,000, this one offers a bit more power if you need it. If you're serious about cleaning tough surfaces, this is worth a serious look. The WPX 3000E delivers 3,000 max PSI and 1.76 GPM, making it ideal for anything from siding to garage floors. The included 0.45 gallon soap tank is super handy for those extra dirty jobs. The durable 25-foot hose is resistant to abrasion, and the high-pressure metal spray gun will stand the test of time. It's no wonder it has over 3,100 reviews with a 4.7 star rating. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can tackle a variety of cleaning tasks without switching machines. Now, some users mentioned it can be a bit heavy to move around. Here's my take. While it's heavier than some electric models, the extra power often justifies this trade-off, especially for more demanding tasks. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful washer for larger cleaning jobs around the house. Skip this one if you prefer something lighter and easier to maneuver. Overall, it offers great value for its power. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for tackling really tough jobs. Product number 3, Westinghouse WPX 3400E. Coming in at $375 is the Westinghouse WPX 3400E. This one UPS the ante with a max PSI of 3,400 and a 2.0 max GPM. If you're looking for commercial-grade performance at home, this is worth a serious look. The WPX 3400E is designed for serious users, delivering 3,400 max PSI and 2 GPM, which means it can handle the toughest grime on decks and driveways. The half-gallon soap tank is great for heavy-duty cleaning, and the 25-foot flexible hose accommodates a wide range of needs. This model has been rated 4.6 stars by 1,600 users, which shows it's definitely a favorite. Now, some people found the setup a bit complicated, but honestly, once you get it up and running, the effort pays off with cleaner surfaces and time saved on tough jobs. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful washer for extensive outdoor projects. Skip this one if you don't need the extra pressure or prefer something simpler. It's a solid investment for serious cleaning tasks. Now, if the complexity of the WPX 3400E worried you, the next one on our list streamlines everything for you. Product number 4, Simpson PowerShot 4400 PSI. Next, let's talk about the Simpson PowerShot, which goes for $899. This gas-powered pressure washer is a powerhouse with a whopping 4,400 PSI. If you're a professional or need serious cleaning power, this is worth a serious look. The The PowerShot is built for tough jobs with its 4,400 psi and 4.0 GPM flow rate. This means it can handle everything from commercial cleaning to heavy restoration projects. The durable welded steel frame and 50-foot hose provide flexibility and reach for large areas. It's rated 4.2 stars by 1,400 users, reflecting its reliability. Here's why this matters for you. You can complete big jobs quickly without compromising on performance. Now, some users mentioned it's on the heavier side and a bit more complicated to start. But honestly, for the power and durability it offers, I'd say it's worth the effort if you have the heavier cleaning to do. This is perfect for you if you need a professional-grade option for demanding tasks. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight model for casual use. It's a serious investment, but can save you time and effort. Now, if the weight and complexity of the PowerShot aren't your thing, the last product on our list offers a great balance. Product number 5, Simpson Clean Machine. Last but not least, we have the Simpson Clean Machine, priced at $287.99. This gas pressure washer is great for homeowners needing solid performance without the professional price tag. If you're looking for a reliable home washer, this is worth a serious look. The Clean Machine delivers 3,400 psi at 2.5 GPM, which is more than enough for cleaning decks, driveways, and patios. The 25-foot hose offers decent reach, and the 10-inch pneumatic tires make it easy to roll around your yard. With a 4.4-star rating from over 2,300 users, it's proven to be a solid choice for many. Here's why this matters for you. It combines power with accessibility for everyday cleaning tasks. Now, some users noted that it can be hard to start at times. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the performance you get for the price is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're a homeowner who needs a reliable washer for regular upkeep. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight or if you prefer electric models. It offers great value for money. So, those are my top picks for commercial pressure washers. Each one has its strengths, so consider what you need most before making a choice. To wrap it up, we covered the Westinghouse EPX 3500, WPX 3000E, WPX 3400E, Simpson PowerShot, and Simpson Clean Machine. Each of these offers unique benefits depending on your needs, whether it's compact size, power, or ease of use. Take your time to find the right one for your cleaning tasks.